Have you ever thought about how something as simple as a walnut could be the key to improving your health dramatically? I mean, we often hear about superfoods, and we get bombarded with trends that come and go, but walnuts, they've been around for centuries, and yet they still hold their ground as a powerhouse of nutrition. So let's dive into why incorporating walnuts into your daily routine could be one of the best decisions you make for your health. First off, let's talk about the basics. Walnuts are not just a tasty snack, they're packed with nutrients that your body craves. Just a handful of these little gems provides a wealth of vitamins and minerals. We're talking about omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. If you're trying to boost your cognitive function or just keep your mind sharp, walnuts can be your go-to. They're like little brain boosters, working hard to keep you focused and alert. And speaking of brain health, did you know that walnuts are also linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases? Research has shown that the antioxidants in walnuts can help combat oxidative stress, which is a major player in conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. Imagine snacking on a handful of walnuts and knowing you're not just satisfying your hunger, but also doing something great for your future self. It's a win-win. Now, let's shift gears and talk about heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and we all want to do our part to keep our hearts in tip-top shape, right? Walnuts can help with that too. They're rich in polyunsaturated fats, which are known to lower bad cholesterol levels. Just a small amount each day can help improve your lipid profile, reducing the risk of heart disease. It's like having a heart-healthy insurance policy right in your pantry. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to manage your weight, walnuts can be incredibly helpful. You might think, how can a nut help me lose weight? Well, the truth is, walnuts are high in protein and fiber, which means they keep you feeling full and satisfied longer. When you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks, you're on the right track to maintaining a healthy weight. Plus, their rich flavor makes them a perfect addition to salads, oatmeal, or even just as a standalone snack. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How do I incorporate walnuts into my daily routine? It's easier than you might think. You can toss them into your morning smoothie for a nutty flavor and a boost of nutrition, or sprinkle them on your yogurt or oatmeal for added crunch. If you're feeling adventurous, try making walnut pesto or adding them to your favorite baked goods. The possibilities are endless and they're super versatile. And let's not forget about the mood-boosting benefits. Did you know that walnuts contain serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood? So if you're feeling a little down or stressed, reaching for some walnuts might just lift your spirits. It's like nature's little pick-me-up, and who wouldn't want that? Now, I get it. Some of you might have nut allergies, and that's totally valid. But for those who can enjoy them, walnuts are a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. They're easy to find, affordable, and you don't need to eat a mountain of them to reap the benefits. Just a small handful a day can make a difference. Let's also touch on the environmental aspect. Walnuts are a sustainable food choice. They require less water to grow compared to other nuts, and they can be cultivated in a way that benefits the soil. So, when you choose walnuts, you're not just making a healthy choice for yourself, you're also making a choice that's better for the planet. It's a small step, but every little bit helps, right? Now, if you're still not convinced, let's talk about the science behind it. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume walnuts have better overall health markers. They tend to have lower levels of inflammation, better blood sugar control, and improved gut health. It's like these little nuts are working behind the scenes to keep your body functioning optimally. Who knew something so small could have such a big impact? And let's be real for a second. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with diet fads and conflicting information about what's healthy and what's not, it's refreshing to find something as straightforward as walnuts. They're natural, nutrient-dense, and have a long history of being celebrated for their health benefits. You can't argue with that kind of track record. So, if you're looking for a simple way to enhance your health, consider adding walnuts to your daily routine. Whether you're snacking on them straight from the bag, tossing them into your meals, or using them in your baking, you're making a choice that can lead to significant health improvements. It's a small change that can lead to big results. And who wouldn't want that? In conclusion, walnuts are more than just a tasty treat. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can improve your health dramatically. From brain health to heart health, weight management to mood enhancement, they've got you covered. So why not give them a try? Make it a goal to include walnuts in your diet every day for a month and see how you feel. You might just be amazed at the difference they can make. Remember, health doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's as simple as a handful of walnuts.